Okay guys, Lovely Jan here. So for today, direct to the point na tayo. So you can see may upload ang DepEd Philippines. Ayan, nag-update sila kaninang 1 PM as of yesterday. So ngayon, starting today daw, all DepEd teachers and staff can access Canva for education for free. So yung mga hindi nag-register noon, it's your time na para magamit talaga ng free ang Canva. So follow lang natin to, paano daw i-unlock yung free use natin ng Canva for education. So sundan lang natin dito yung step-by-step guide na sa DepEd Philippines, yung official page nila guys. Ayan. So on your browser, go to this link, log in your account. Ayan, type lang natin yung ating, tanggalin ko itong yard today. Ayan. Okay, next natin. And then, enter natin yung password. Dito, ilagin lang yung DepEd email. Ayan. Ngayon, after down na may sign in doon, sa link login yun, i-login natin. Sa account natin doon. Okay, naka-sign in na siya. Mag-open na tayo ng Canva natin. So, open natin si Canva. Okay, tapos, check natin instruction. Continue with email ang gagamitin. So, continue with another account. Tapos, click lang natin to. Continue with email. Then, i-type natin. Yung na-register nating account. Kasi sa sign in yun, no? Papasok lang sa sign in. So, continue natin. Tingnan natin instruction na next. Next. Enter code. Log in with SSO. Click natin yung ginamit nating account. Next. Yes natin. Okay. So, ito na yung bago nating account. Okay. Pero, pwede naman nating i-switch. No? Nandito pa rin naman yung mga dati nating account. At least magamit na natin tong free. All free from DepEd. So, that's it guys. I hope nasundan natin. Medyo madaming achucho, no? Akala ko yun makakapag-login. At least na-troubleshoot natin. Okay, that's it for today guys. Kung natunuan kayo ng video na to, please do subscribe sa ating Lovely Jan channel. Thank you and see you next vlog. Bye!